Keanu Reeves is a Canadian actor. He was born in Beirut, Lebanon on September 2, 1964. He is the son of Patricia, a costume designer and performer, and Samuel Nolan Reeves Jr. His mother is English, originating from Essex. His father is from Hawaii and is of native Hawaiian, Chinese, English, Irish and Portuguese descent. His mother was working in Beirut when she met his father, who abandoned his wife and family when Reeves was 3 years old. Reeves last met his father on the island of Kauai when he was 13. On December 24, 1999, Reeves' girlfriend Jennifer Syme gave birth 8 months into her pregnancy to Eva Archer Syme Reeves, who was stillborn. The couple broke up several weeks later. Reeves has also previously been romantically linked to longtime friend and filmmaker Brenda Davis, whose child he is godfather to, and model actress China Chow. In 2009, Reeves met Alexander Grant at a dinner party. They went on to collaborate on 2 books together. They went public with their relationship in November 2019. As early as 2008, Reeves and Alex Winter had shown enthusiasm for a third Bill and Ted film, but the project went into development limbo. Finally, in 2020, Bill and Ted Face the Music, the third film in the franchise, was released. Reeves appears as Johnny Silverhand in the video game Cyberpunk 2077. Reeves will also reprise the role of John Wick into 2 additional sequels to be shot back-to-back. BRZRKR is an upcoming comic written by Reeves which is set to release in 2021. He is known for his nobility in the Hollywood film industry, is a humble and down-to-earth actor who does not shy away from sharing his success with the co-actors and the crew of his movies. The gentle actor famously gave away most of his earnings from the blockbuster trilogy The Matrix to the special effects and costume designer team of the movie because he felt that they were the real heroes of the movie. He also gave away the opportunity to earn millions just so his production team could afford ace actors for his movies like A.I. Pacino for The Devil's Advocate and Gene Hackman for The Replacement. Reeves has given many blockbuster hits like The Matrix Reloaded, The Matrix Revolutions, The Devil's Advocate, Speed, Constantine, etc. He is a recluse and tries to stay away from the media and enjoys ballroom dancing and surfing more than anything. Reeves made his directorial debut with the movie Man of Tai Chi in 2013. Reeves starred in John Wick Chapter 3, Parabellum in 2019, the third feature in the series directed by Stahelski. The film takes place immediately after the events of John Wick Chapter 2 and features new cast members including Halle Berry. The film was another box office hit, grossing $171 million in the United States and more than $155 million internationally. Reeves was nominated for Favorite Male Movie Star of 2019 in the People's Choice Awards, and the film itself was nominated for Best Contemporary Film in the Art Directors Guild Awards. He played John Constantine in 2005 and starred in the romantic drama The Lake House in 2006, the science fiction thriller The Day the Earth Stood Still in 2008, and the crime thriller Street Kings in 2008.